Hello guys, how are you? I'm back here but not there. I have a message for my cousin Kirby and Lian. Guys, congratulations for your wedding again, twice. You prove it again, twice, and I'm very sorry that I didn't make it in your wedding again, twice. And Kirby and Lian, I began to hate my job again twice because of this wedding. And can I say, prove it guys, not only once, but prove it twice that you really love each other. And I believe that God unite you as one. And we believe that your marriage is gonna last forever. And for you, Kirby, I have a message for you. I knew that you are a very good person. You are a very good son, a good brother, a very good cousin, and soon to be a good father. And you are a very good husband also. And Lian, the message for you is the first time I saw you in Sydney, I knew that you are a perfect match for Kirby. You are also a good person. I knew that you love each other so much. And guys, I really love you and proud of you to this wedding again, twice. And Lian, welcome to our big family. We are not perfect family, but we love each other so much, and we love you, Lian, so much. Welcome to our family. And like I said, a good person deserves to pout and to love a good person also. So dong, bago ko ma-utlan ng English dong, na-utlan ako. I love you so much, Kirby and Lian. I'm sorry I don't have a gift, and the only gift I can give to you guys is love. I really love you so much, deep in my heart. I love you so much, guys, and I hope to see you soon. And I promise that in your 25th wedding anniversary, I'll be there. I promise. See you guys. I love you. I love you all. I love you, Philippines. Bye.